Let's explore how quick and easy it is to create an obituary using one of the Quickease templates available at tessera.biz. This video features the Sea of Serenity layout, which is on 8.5 by 11 bifold format. It features 2 pages in which you would print front to back to create a bifold obituary. Be mindful that you'll want to use Adobe Acrobat Reader in order to edit all of the fields that are available. Upon making your purchase, download the template and then open it in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now that I've opened the template in Adobe Acrobat Reader, we can begin doing our edits. Here we are on page 1. On the right-hand side is a panel in which we can add a photo. Clicking once on that photo will bring up the Select Image dialog box. To the right and near the top, there is a button labeled Browse. Clicking once on Browse will give me the ability to go through my file management system and choose the file of interest. I've got a picture on my desktop that I'm going to use. Notice this is a JPG or JPEG file. Some JPEG files don't work well with Quickease templates. PNG files are highly recommended. Let's see how this one works. I'll click once on this JPEG file. Then in the lower right-hand corner of the dialog box, let's click Open. This file works just fine. Now it's just a matter of highlighting text in the placeholders and replacing it with desired information. For example, the first and middle name. I'm going to click and drag across first and middle name and simply type the name John Joe. If I hit my Tab key, that automatically takes me to the next field, or I could click and drag across the text where it says last name. I'm going to turn on my caps lock so that I can type Doe in all capital letters. Now I can go through the rest of the layout. Let's look at page 2. I'm going to use the scroll bar that's to the lower right area of my screen. And this shows me the inside, where there's room for 4 more photos, information for the obituary, and an area for the order of service. Just like the front cover, if I'd like to add a photo, I just simply click, browse, choose the photo, and open it. I can highlight the text inside of the obituary area and either type or copy and paste information from another document. On the right-hand side, I can highlight a portion of the placeholder. For example, the welcome is going to be done by Pastor Doe. And I'm going to add some periods before Pastor Doe's name to line up the last letter. At this point, I would go up to the File menu in the upper left-hand corner, click on File, Save As. Indicate where you'd like to save your finished obituary. Or if you're not finished, you can save it to your computer and finish it at some other time. We're going to save it on the desktop. And let's also give it a name that means something to us. In this case, this is the obituary for John Doe. So I'll name the file John Doe Obituary. Once I click Save, the file has been saved. And just to show you, if I close out of Adobe Acrobat Reader, go out to my desktop, here is the obituary for John Doe. I can right-click on it and then go to Open With and select Adobe Acrobat Reader. And upon opening, I can edit this file as need be, or if I prefer, I could print the file. You could even save your changes and send it to a professional printing service. It's just that easy.